Hi, I'm Naveen Kumar from Hyderabad. I'm a software professional. I recently joined Be10x online course. My main motto to join this course is to upskill myself. Um, Already I'm into second week of my learning journey. Um, al- I got access to a lot of topics on AI portal. Um, uh, Overall experience is really nice, and the B10X team is doing amazing job with their live sessions and recordings, everything, and Q&A sessions. So happy learning. Thanks for this amazing course. Thank you.